Bitcoin just broke into the top 5 most valuable assets on the planet. Let that sink in. At a market cap of $2.154 trillion, Bitcoin has officially surpassed Amazon, and it's just beneath Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, and of course, gold. Amazon's market cap is 2.1 trillion. You can see it just below that, and Google's is 2.09 trillion. Bitcoin now outranks both of them. And here's the kicker. This isn't the peak of a decades-long corporate growth cycle. Bitcoin was worth zero just 15 years ago, and now it's trading at $109,499, as you could see right here. And of course, this is live, which is its highest price in history. So let's zoom out a little bit. Gold has a $22.2 trillion market cap. That's nearly 10 times Bitcoin's size. But unlike gold, Bitcoin's supply inflates by roughly 0.85% per year, and that rate keeps falling. Gold's inflation is nearly double that. Compare that to the tens of trillions of dollars in capital around the world looking for a secure, uninflatable store of value. This surge isn't hype, it's monetization. And Bitcoin is undergoing the same transformation that gold once did, from collectible to reserve asset, but in the internet age. It's gone through a 16-year structural adoption trend, and now it's monetizing into the base layer of all of global finance. Along the way, it's eating into the market share of every other asset that claims to be sound, or at least a worthwhile savings vehicle. Amazon made $590 billion in revenue last year. Google made $320 billion. Bitcoin made zero. It doesn't have a board, no revenue, no product, just immaculate monetary policy and global consensus. And the market is starting to wake up to this. This informational asymmetry that has existed, where Bitcoin is these things, but the market treats it as a tech stock, is waning, and it's waning quickly. Because every asset in the top 10 and top 5 is either an equity with counterparty risk or a commodity with centralized extraction and storage. Bitcoin is different. It's decentralized, it's borderless, and it's unforgeable. It's not just a financial asset, it's a monetary revolution. And revolutions tend to accelerate. $110,000 Bitcoin is next, but don't get distracted by price. Price is just the scoreboard. The real story is this. We are witnessing the monetization of a new global reserve asset, and that only happens once in a generation. If you're watching closely, you're already ahead. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like and, of course, follow for more, reshare so more people can see this. I've been Joe from Thea, and, of course, check out Thea. It's the world's simplest Bitcoin self-custody solution. You can go to thea.us or just scan the QR code right there. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.